Hello friends, welcome back to online math. So we're going to be solving this beautiful equation right here. So what we have is x power 4 is equal to 64. So what are the values of x? What are the roots of this equation? So that is basically what we're going to be looking for in this video. But just before we proceed, if you are new to our channel, do well to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and also turn on the notification icon so that if we release new content, you will get to know about it. Okay, and of course, having said that, let us now proceed. So I can actually write this x power 4 as x power 2 and then raised to power 2 is equal to, even this 64, I can also write it in power of 2 as 8 power 2. Let me subtract this 8 power 2 from both sides so that I'm going to be having s power 2 raised to power 2 minus 8 power 2 is equal to 0. So clearly you can see we've got some difference of two squares, which of course you can remember that if we have a power 2 okay minus b power 2, this is actually going to be expanded to a plus b, and then of course multiply by a minus b. So in this case you can see that a is equal to x power 2 and that b is equal to 8 right here. So if I use this rule here to expand this, what I'm going to be having is x power 2 plus 8, okay, and then of course multiply by x power 2 minus 8. It's equal to 0. So you can see here what I'm having here is a product of two terms which the result is equal to 0. And then of course, if you can remember the 0 product rule, this actually implies that x squared plus 8 is equal to 0, or x squared minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so let me pick this case first and solve, and then we'll come back to this. Okay, so solving this case I, okay, let me name that. This is I, and then this one is I. So we have x squared minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just to go ahead and then write this 8. I can actually write that 8 there as root 8 power 2. Okay, so that these two can actually cancel this root, and then I'm back to 8. Okay, so it's equal to 0. So we've got another difference of two squares, which of course we can expand like we expanded the first one. So this is actually going to be giving us x minus root 8, okay, and then multiply by x plus root 8. Okay, of course this is equal to 0. And then moving on, you can see that this implies that x minus root 8 is equal to 0, or x plus root 8 is equal to 0. And clearly you can see from here that x is equal to positive root 8, or from here x is equal to negative root 8. Okay, so these are the two values of x which we've gotten, and then we can also go ahead to solve this case right here. So let me put this draw line here, and then the case 1 we've got x squared plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so of course when if you watch very well, this is not actually going to be giving us a real root, so we expect to get a complex root right here. And to do that, I'm actually going to move this 8 to the right hand side, so that I'm going to be having x squared is equal to negative 8. And then of course we can just take the square root of both sides so that I can eliminate this square right here. Okay, so plus or minus square root of negative 8, and then this can actually cancel this, and then x is equal to plus or minus the square root of negative 8. Okay, and then we can actually write this negative 8 as a negative I, okay, multiply by root 8. They are the same. So, and of course root negative 1 is actually I, okay, and then multiply by root 8, so that eventually you are seeing that from here x is equal to root 8, okay, or x is equal to negative root 8. Okay, I can actually go ahead to put up all of the values of x which we've got right here. So the first one we got is that x is equal to root 8. Okay, and then the second one, let me term this x1, and then of course the x2 we've got the second value, x is equal to negative root 8, and then of course the third one, x is equal to positive I root 8, and of course the fourth one, x is equal to negative I root 8. So these are all the values of x which will satisfy the problem we are solving. So let me have your thoughts in the comment section, and then of course don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and then I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.